Hello everyone, it's Miss Veronica with Growing Brilliant. We are here to do a circle time today. Today in circle time, we are going to do our Where Is song and find something that digs deep, 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 deep down in the ground. It likes to be in your garden and it's pretty wiggly. We are also going to be learning how to measure with a ruler. We are going to be measuring in inches today. But first, let's start with our hello song. Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends, let's have some fun today. Hi everyone, do you know what we're looking for under our flowers? We are going to be looking for something, just like I said, that digs down in the ground, wiggles, and likes to eat vegetables in your garden. Do you know what we're looking for? We are looking for a worm. And to sign worm, you take one of your hands, take your pointer finger, and you make it wiggle across your hand, just like that. Let's learn the signs for our flowers. Our first flower is a purple flower. Purple flower. Our next flower is a red flower. Red flower. And our last flower is a blue flower. Blue flower. Do you think you can help me find our worm today? Let's start with the purple flower. Get your where hands out. Where is worm? Where is worm? Here I am, hiding under purple flower, hiding under purple flower. Look and see, look and see. Okay, everyone, I need your help counting to 3. Can you clap and count to 3 with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Say peek-a-boo. Oh no, do you see our worm? It's not there. Where do you think we should look next? Let's look under the red flower. Where is worm? Where is worm? Here I am, hiding under red flower, hiding under red flower. Look and see, look and see. Okay, my friends, this time, let's tap our knees. Now let's count to 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Peek-a-boo. Is our worm there? It's not there. Where do you think it could be? You think it's under our blue flower? Let's look under our blue flower. Get your where hands out. Here we go. Where is worm? Where is worm? Here I am, hiding under blue flower, hiding under blue flower. Look and see, look and see. Okay, my friends, this time I need you to get big claps out, and we're gonna clap really big to 3, and then we're gonna look under our blue flower. Here we go, ready? 1, 2, 3. Peek-a-boo. Do you see what we have here? We have our worm. Can you see him? He is green and he is very small. Thank you so much for finding my worm with me. You guys helped me a lot. Are you ready to do our measuring? We are going to get a ruler and some pipe cleaners, and I am going to show you how you can measure by inches. Let's go. Hi everyone. We are going to learn how to measure with a ruler. This is my ruler, and we are going to use inches to measure our pipe cleaners. I have cut some pipe cleaners into different sizes so that we can measure them together. And then we can glue them to a paper. So first, let's go ahead and measure our inchworms. To measure, today we are going to be using a ruler. This ruler has inches and centimeters, and we are going to be using inches. To find the inch, there is a word that says inch right here. If you cannot read yet, ask someone for help and ask them to show you where the inches are. To measure, you always are going to start from the beginning of the ruler, and you want to find the number 1. That will be the beginning of the ruler. To measure 1 inch, you're going to start from the beginning and go all the way to the 1. That is 1 inch. My finger, that part of my finger is 1 inch. To measure 2 inches, I'm going to start over from the beginning and go all the way to the 2. Let's do it again. To measure 2 inches, you're going to start from the beginning of the ruler, take your finger all the way to the 2. That is 2 inches. Let's measure our worms we have. Right here I have a black and white pipe cleaner. Kind of looks like a zebra. And we are going to measure and see how many inches our pipe cleaner is. So you're going to take your ruler, now lift it up so that you can see it better. And you're going to make your pipe cleaner start from the beginning, okay? So this is 1 inch, remember, from the start to 1 inch. So let's put our pipe cleaner down. We're going to start our pipe cleaner at the very beginning of our ruler and then lay it flat against the ruler. Can you see that? So let's count how many inches we have here. We start from the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This pipe cleaner is 5 inches long. Let's do another one. So I have other pipe cleaners that I cut here. Let's do our red one. Okay, we're going to do our red one. Let's put this down here. Okay, and again, we're going to start from the beginning. I'm going to put our pipe cleaner starting at the beginning. We're going to push it close to the ruler, and let's count. 1, 2, 3. That pipe cleaner is 3 inches long. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. So our red pipe cleaner worm is 3 inches, and our black and white one is 5 inches. Which one is longer? Is the black and white one longer, or is the red one longer? The black and white one is longer. It is bigger than the red one. Let's measure a couple more. Next, we are going to measure our yellow one. You see our yellow worm? Let's measure him. Remember to start from the beginning. Just like that. Let's count. Are you ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Our yellow worm is 2 inches long. Let's line them up with the other ones we measured again. So we have a yellow one that was 2 inches, a red one that was 3 inches, and a black and white one that was 5 inches. Which one is the shortest? Shortest means smaller. The yellow one is the shortest. Which one is the longest? Longest means bigger in length. The black and white one is still the longest. Let's measure 2 more. We have a black and green worm. I'm going to start at the beginning. And let's count. 1. Count again. 1. This one ends at the 1. This one is 1 inch. Let's measure our last worm. Our last worm is purple. Start at the beginning. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This worm is 4 inches. Let's put all of our worms together and let's see which one is the longest and which one is the shortest. Which one do you think is the longest? That means the biggest in length. The longest one is the black and white one. Do you see how it is longer than the purple one? The purple one was 4 inches and the black and white one was 5 inches. So 5 inches is longer than 4 inches. Let's see which one is the shortest one. Which one looks to be the shortest? The shortest is the smallest in length. It's this one right here, the black and green one. This one was 1 inch. So 1 inch is the smallest that we made. So next, you guys, since we measured our little worms, we are going to see if we can put them under the numbers of inches they are. So now, for the last part of our activity, we are going to tape or glue our inchworms that we just measured to the paper. So, I will remind you how many inches each worm was. Our black and white worm, you can see it, he was 5 inches. So we need to find the number 5. Can you help me find the number 5 on this paper? Can you point to the number 5? This is the number 5. So we are going to tape our worm underneath the number 5. It's like this. Now we know that this worm was 5 inches. Next, let's find our green and black worm. Do you see him? He's very tiny. When we measured him, he was 1 inch. Can you help me find the 1? Where is the number 1? Here is the number 1. Let's tape him under the number 1. Now we know our green and black worm is 1 inch long. Let's go to our purple worm. When we measured him, he was 4 inches long. Can you help me find the number 4? There's the number 4. Now we know that the purple worm is 4 inches long. When we measured our yellow worm, when we measured our yellow worm was 2 inches long. Can you help me find the number 2? Here's the number 2. Let's tape our worm under the number 2. And now we know our yellow worm is 2 inches. And our last worm, our red worm, was 3 inches. Let's tape him under the number 3. Can you help me find the number 3? Where's the number 3? There's the number 3. Let's tape him under the 3. Now we know our red worm was 3 inches long. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today we measured 5 worms, and each one was a different number inch. We measured 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches, 4 inches, and 5 inches. Now, if you do this at home, you can save this paper and you can take your ruler and practice measuring all by yourself. You will know that this is 1 inch. When you put the ruler from the beginning of the worm to the end, you will see the number 1. And the number 1 written on the paper will help you know that that is 1 inch. I had so much fun measuring with you today. It was really a lot of fun taking our worms and putting them to the ruler and then making our paper. For the last thing we're going to do, I'm going to show you something that you can do at home with your family. So, for your activity at home, you're going to need your pipe cleaners, a ruler, and some beads. To do this activity, you're going to take one of your beads. You need to find the hole inside the bead and try to put your pipe cleaner in the hole. And you can move your bead down the pipe cleaner so that you can add more beads. You can add as many beads as you want. You can put 1 bead, you can put 2 beads, you could even put 10 beads if it fits on your pipe cleaner. You just keep adding beads. And then what you can do if you want is you can measure the beads. So I taught you how to use a ruler, and you remember that you always start from the beginning of the ruler to start measuring. And you can put your ruler on the beads and measure how many inches your beads are. You can also count how many beads you have. I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads on my pipe cleaner. I hope you have fun with this activity, and I really enjoyed having circle with you today. I hope you have a great day. Bye!